Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. It is Monday. We had an option expire worthless, so we collected 100% of the premium, and it is time to get some more money working for us. Let's jump into the account. Let's take a look at where we're at. For the day, we're flat because we have no investments. All cash. We have about $4,148 of cash. Over the last week, we were up $49.78. Over the last month, $188. 3 months, $588. Year to date, 1,142 or 37.98%. And this is a brand new account, so that's the all-time as well. Not too bad. So we had an option expire worthless, but first off, I want to get in my put so that I can get Theta working for me. So this week we have Tesla earnings. Some people like to play earnings, some people don't. For me, I'm fine owning Tesla at any price, and so I want the extra premium. If I get assigned shares, great. If I don't get assigned shares, great as well. So I'm going to be selling a put. You know, we've been assigned at the 16.5. We've been assigned at the 16. And I'm going to go for a little bit lower this time. So I'm going to stagger the prices here. I'm going to do one. Let's see if it'll allow me to do. It might not let me do two. I was going to say I wanted to do two at once, but might not allow me to. So I'm going to do one at the 15 and one at the 14.5 is what I'm thinking. So we'll do one aggressively at the 15, and that's going to be $1,500 worth of collateral. Let's see if I can pull this down. There we go. So we got paid the $45 right there, and then let's see if we can come down here. Sweet. So we have $2,693. We're going to jump back into TSLL. Trade options. Sell a put, and we're going to do the 14.5. We have the cash available. We have 2,600 available. Dang, that's crazy. It might actually be worth doing two at the 13. Is there any money there? No, there's only $5, so not worth it. That would have been pretty sweet. Okay, so we'll do another one at the 14.5. That's going to collect $25. See what kind of cash we have available. We want to keep some cash available in the event we have a dip. Yeah, I'm so close. $1,269. So we almost have enough to be able to write 3 contracts on TSLL, which is awesome. Slowly, every time we sell a put, when we collect some more money, we get more cash available, and that is pretty cool to see. We're just a couple $100 away, and I may actually just deposit some more money into here. I don't know, just to see if we could run 3 options on this. There are some other stocks we could sell some options on. Actually, you know what? Let's just do that. We're just gonna sell on my favorite. So we could do Mara or we could do Riot. This is up 5% today. Not a good day to sell a put on it. Let's look at Riot. This was up 2.5%, so we could sell it on this. For the week, it's down 3%. Past month, 17.73%. Let's do it on this. Let's just trade. Let's see what the premiums look if we did like a safer delta. Yeah, something like the 8. I'd be okay at the 8. Just a little bit of money. Let's do that. Let's fire that off for the 5. Just get our capital working for us a little bit here. $5 in a week. It's not a whole lot in terms of income, but it gets our money working for us. And then we still leave ourselves some buying power in the event that we do get assigned on TSLL. We got ourselves some buying power to buy some more shares. So, and that's what we really want to do. Hopefully Riot expires worthless. If not, we could always roll it down and out. I don't mind getting assigned at the 8 as well. I own a couple thousand shares in my other accounts, so no worries there. So yeah, just like that. So what did we collect here? If we scroll down, we collected on this one, the credit, it looks like the average credit was 26. So 26 on that one. I think we put the limit in, or the order in, at 25. So that's awesome to see. On this one, we got a credit of 45. So that's already $71, and then the $5 here. So yeah, $76. Not too bad on a $4,100 account, and this is for a 1 week time frame. Obviously, we have the Tesla earnings, so things are elevated a little bit, but not terrible at all. If we keep doing this, the account is just going to keep going up and up and up. If we do get assigned, then obviously you can see in the account we've had the fluctuations of being assigned. But speaking of that, let's jump back into what we had played last week. It expired worthless, like we talked about, and we collected right here. So we sold a cash secured put on TQQQ. it expired completely worthless. And we collected the full $51. And as you can see, this put expiration here. The price was $37.41 at expiration. We sold the 35, which is a little bit safer at the time. Fine getting it signed at any price there, but yeah, on down days we sell on TQQQ. Because of earnings, I want to sell on TSLL, but just like that, we earned 51 last week. We earned 75 this week, and if we can keep this up, I mean, if we can average ourselves, let's say $60 a week, that's not too bad. $240 a month, pretty good return on this. So I'll take that each and every single week. We will continue to stack the bricks. These are the plays open for the year or for the week. We have Riot and TSLL, which is Bull ETF on Tesla. So those are the plays this week. Nothing crazy happening in the account. We just keep stacking those bricks each and every single week. We keep selling options every single week. We keep it simple with cash secure puts and covered calls. And I showcase how I do it each and every single week, just for small accounts, because I know sometimes people aren't trading with hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so it's nice to showcase some of the small plays and how you can still make a good return on your money. So thanks everybody for tuning in. If you like the content, don't forget to throw me a like or leave me a comment. Appreciate everybody. We'll catch you next week. Happy investing.